Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into something that might not be the most fun topic, but it's super important if you're wrapping up your business ventures. The video title is, How to Close a Venmo Business Account, 2025, and I'll walk you through the entire process step by step. Whether you're shutting down your side hustle or switching to a new payment platform, knowing how to do this properly can save you headaches down the line. First things first, make sure you're logged into your Venmo app or website with your business account credentials. It's 2025, and Venmo has made some updates for better security, so double check that you're using the latest version of the app to avoid any glitches. Once you're in, head over to the Settings menu. You can find this by tapping the three horizontal lines in the top corner or searching for Settings in the menu. Look for the Business or Account section. That's where the magic happens. Before you proceed, take a moment to settle any outstanding balances. Transfer any funds to your linked bank account or ensure all transactions are cleared. This step is crucial to avoid any fees or complications later. Now, scroll down until you see the option that says something like Close Account or Deactivate Business Profile. Click on that, and Venmo will probably ask you to confirm your decision. They'll want to know why you're leaving, maybe for feedback, so be honest if you feel like sharing. Remember, once you hit confirm, there's often no going back, so make sure this is what you want. After confirmation, you might need to verify your identity one last time, perhaps with a code sent to your email or phone. Once that's done, your account should be closed. But hey, keep an eye on your email for any final notifications from Venmo. Closing an account can feel bittersweet, but it's all part of managing your business smartly. If you have any questions or run into issues, Venmo's support team is there to help. Just check their help center. Thanks for watching, and if this helped, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tips like this. See you in the next video.